you get 1 million visitors a year here. About 800,000 of them come from cruise ships. There's one behind us right now. But most of them never leave the resort. Most of them never, go more than 4 blocks away from where the ship is. And they don't get a chance to see the real Aruba. And part of what my show is about is to let people know about the hidden gems of Aruba, the things that are not in the brochures, the things that are not in the guidebooks. So who best to tell me about it than the Prime Minister? I want to go somewhere where I can get to immerse myself in the culture, the music, the food, the dance, the art, and the people. And what better place than Aruba? I mean, it's who you are. So if I can encourage my audience that there's more to life than just a 25-minute walk from a ship, we've helped them out a lot and broaden their horizons. I was very impressed by his commitment to sustainability, to making sure that it's not about the number of visitors, but the quality of the experience that visitors get. That, in a long-term view, is it's going to not only just save Aruba, it's going to make Aruba as strong as it can possibly be. I came here about 30 years ago. I'm an old guy. Came here 30 years ago on a cruise ship. That's how most people first discover Aruba. So I was here for, 9 hours maybe, and didn't see very much. So I said, okay, this is the appetizer. I've got to come back for the main meal, and I've been coming back ever since. It's a safe place. It's a beautiful place. It's outside the hurricane belt. You don't have to worry about those kinds of big storms. It's got everything going for it. And people need to know that there's a lot of stuff that you can do here once you get here other than just getting off a cruise ship or staying at your hotel. Beautiful beaches, beautiful hotels, but there's a lot more to Aruba than that. I mean, I'm always on a plane. I live on a plane. I travel over 420,000 miles a year. So I go to certain countries the way you go to the supermarket. I'm back in an hour. I've been blessed in this situation because I'm actually here for more than 2 days. I'm actually here for 3.5 days. Whoa! But you know what? It's amazing what you can do in 3.5 days on an island that has got so much in one small area that Aruba has.